Hi, this is Cat Lord. Hello, and doing another video. I hope this one's gonna be posted, unlike my others that have not. And sorry if I'm too quiet again. And oh god, did you see that ad about eat? They took my over? That's so cool. That's creepy. And if I post a video of this once again, I think I'm not. This guy Stiegel, so with sword is a man to break the world record for not wearing pants. But his family had enough. And that brings us here. I already bought a couple of things I might show you. And by might I mean of course. Oh god. Here we go. Alright. Okay. 101 go. Okay, let's try 200. By the way, guys, down in the comments list games you want me to do. There are online or offline games for no download. New best high score. That's so out of my headphones. And you see I got a left round the moon and brings platinum coins into play. And platinum basically means you shall see it, and you see that silver one that I just collected that gave me a lot? That's platinum, basically silver. I got another. And guys, I can't download Minecraft or anything. Well, maybe I could do Visual 101. Okay, let me die. She died. And yeah, I'm using that. So let's monetize that and I think it's MW. W. Where is this? What was it going on? Black. As well. Where is it? That's weird. I don't have it. Go down. No. Yeah, the end spool. Okay, forget that. Let's just add. Let's just do. I don't want to do Sky Stiegel. How about down in the comments what online games I could do that aren't for download, but yeah, still online that I could do. How about this online multiplayer games? Yeah, I never did this before, guys. Look at me with what's Tank Online? How about I play Tank Online? Well, I'm gonna be cute. I'm gonna be learning with you guys about this. I don't know. If you have a Disney something. Pause the video and read it for yourself. Sorry about the other voices. So it's gonna be. Oh! How do I move? Wait. Oh, how do I? Okay, out this one. Right. Ooh, what are the peeps? Oh god! Oh my god! I killed one go. He just scared me. He scared me.
What, you go back to my bed?
He scared me, that's all you did. He scared me. Oh god, I'm good. That's that Jordan. Oh, what? Oh god. Get out. Get out of here. Don't say Jordan. Oh, that's how I aim. Alright. Let's see what that does. Wait, I'm pretty good at dinking it. Dink stories. Oh god! What's this kid? That is amazing! Oh, I need that. I don't think it's as strong as my last one. No, it's way worse. Yeah, this game had download. That's what it is. That guy has a flame though, that's way. I need my old thing back. Get back, get back, get back. You guys have the good gun. Yeah, I said I think so. And this is gonna be the flamethrower. Yes! I was right. Wait, can I move backwards? Oh yeah! Tank online. Take me out. Oh god, the flamethrower is really good. Ooh. What? Oh, I got that in my faster. Oh, I am faster. I'm way faster. Yeah, that was a... Oh god, look at this. Oh god. I need the same dude as us. Rewind. You want my what? Was that on There's a battle? God, Take Online was so fun. I do not know how fun games can be now. God, you guys got paid it. I recommend it. Okay, so nickname's gonna be no, my cat online. Doing game over. That's him talking about Tobin Pay or Tap Past Top t-shirts. Ooh, sample. I can get one. See if that's right. Time limit. 60 minutes max payoffs. How about we do 1D. Right. Nice. So it'll be team deathmatch. Times 1, then I have 5 minutes. My video is gonna be 15 minutes. Again, I'm using game custom mode. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna pause this and get back to you guys when it's done. Alright, we're back. Ooh, 200 possible crystals. That sounds odd. Wait, what's a seed? Yeah, battle. Oh, Caesars. You know what? Let's just join one. I'm gonna. Oh, wait. How do I quit? Ooh, someone joined us. Nope. Nope. You wanna go? Wanna be nice. Go! Oh, be stuck with that. Be stuck with that. Got the tags. No, wait. Don't give it. I'll take it. We must nothing. Ooh, seal, that's what I need. Be touching. Okay. Let's go up a bit. Oh god, he's behind us now. Are you serious? Let's look at this. Present. Okay, you know what guys, let's just leave the video. Goodbye.